welcome to Arvin and Megan Create. I wanted to take you through how we transplant from our seed starter trays to these bigger 4-inch pots. We're doing these little cherry Romas today. I've already taken them out of the big container. You can come over close and see. I've taken them out of here in this container. I've waited till the soil dried out a little bit because it's easier to get the roots loose. And a lot of them were kind of like stuck together, a bunch of them. So I've separated them all, and what I'll show you is how to transplant them, like this little one here. I'm gonna put this over here because it's done, and we're gonna start with a fresh new pot, and I've got just a basic potting mix over here. You can show the type of potting mix we have. We just buy this organic Pro Mix, and what I'll do is I'll just fill up the pot with some of this potting mix. It's just easier to use potting mix. It's already pre-mixed, don't have to do anything. And I press it down a little bit. Now I'm gonna make an indent with my fingers in the middle. And since we're doing tomatoes, so with a tomato, you actually need to, you wanna join me? With tomatoes, we have to plant them a little bit deeper because we want the root system to become bigger. So for tomatoes, it's a little bit different when transplanting, but we're gonna plant them in like this, a little bit deeper, just to cover up so the leaves are still sticking out at the top there. Do you wanna put a little bit more soil in? Around there? And then we can transfer this. You wanna put that in the big tray? This one here.
I'm putting it way over.
And what we're gonna do is when we've got all of them in here, since the soil is so dry, is we're just gonna bottom water the whole tray and let the water slowly reach the roots, and then the soil will become wet and they'll be happy. And we'll just put them straight back on the shelves in the light, and hopefully all of them make it. Sometimes you'll have like a little bit of transplant shock. We did take them like out and of their soil and their roots, so don't be afraid to like kill a few of them along the way. It's okay. We kill a lot of plants, but most of them will make it, and you will have some happy little tomatoes by the end. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you want more videos like this, just let us know down below, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.